Finally got down to a point that we knew was going to be close enough. I cocked back the hammer on the muzzleloader. I buried the dot in behind the last rib for the quartering away shot. I was aiming at the far shoulder and squeezed the trigger. Well, I guess I didn't really bank on missing. He jumps up, throws a karate chop at the limb, and backpedals down the hill looking up. I reached for the big gun.
There you go. Reload.
I know he's not totally dead, and the rule of thumb with a grizzly bear is if he's still moving, if his head is still up, if he's still kicking, you're still shooting. And I never break that rule.
He's dead. I think you got him.